Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Klaviyo for email marketing. If you've been trying to figure out how to send emails to your audience, promote your products, or even start making sales automatically, then this video is going to help you out step by step. I'm going to walk you through everything in a simple and beginner-friendly way, so even if you've never used Klaviyo before, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Klaviyo works and how you can start using it for your own marketing. So make sure to watch until the end, and let's get started. What we first want to do is open our Klaviyo dashboard. Then as you can see, we are at the home page. You can basically see an overview of your email marketing performance. At the top, you will usually see your recent metric like revenue, open rates, how your emails are performing. On the left side, we have the main menu, and is where everything important is. So overall, this dashboard is where you manage everything from creating email to tracking your results. The main important thing is Klaviyo marketing are flows and campaigns. Campaigns are a manual email you create and send your audience whenever you want. Instead of being automatic, campaigns are created by you, sent at a specific time and used for announcements or promotions. We use campaigns for sales, new product launches, updates or news, holiday emails. But as for flows, they are automated messages that are sent based on customer action. Instead of sending emails manually, they run automatically, are triggered by actions and keep working in the background. Let's see what campaigns are. Click the campaign options at the left side of the screen, then a new screen appears at the right side of the screen where we can either create our own campaign, which makes a new email, choosing who will receive it, designing the message, deciding when to send it. But if we click the one that says View Library, we get to choose from campaign type for this video. We will be clicking the one that says View Library. After that, we will choose the one best deserve what we want to do. Remember always to read the description, there are multiple types of campaign. For this video, we will be choosing the one that says New Product Launch. This type of campaign is best when we have a new product and we want to advertise it by making it more attention grabbers. To do this, we will edit it more. We can also edit it for specific devices like for desktop and mobile phone. Then we will click Create and Customize. After that, a new screen appears where we can edit our audience. As you can see, there is a blank space under Send To. We can add the audience there. After we are finished, we will click Best at the top right side of the screen. After that, a new screen appears where we can edit what we send to our audiences. For subject line, I recommend you to write something short and clear, create curiosity, has urgency, and focused on value. And for the preview text should support the subject line, not repeat it, give a second reason to open the email. Then, after finishing up, click, now it is time to edit the template. This is where we can fully customize our email. We can make it either desktop version and cell phone version. We can change the text, add images, and design the email however we want. On the left side, you can see different blocks like text, images, buttons, and more, which you can drag and drop into your email. If you want to edit something, just click on it, and you will be able to change the content on the side. After we finish editing, go to the right side of the screen and click Next. Then it takes us back where we started. After that, we will click Next at the right corner. After looking at the customization and we agree with it, we will click Schedule or Send at the right corner. Then we can now schedule when to send the campaign. After editing the time to send the email, we will click Schedule Message. As you can see, our campaign is scheduled to be sent to our selected audiences. On the left side ad, you can see there is an option that says Flows. As you told you earlier, flow are an automated messages. After clicking it, we will click the option that says Build Our Own. It takes us to a new screen where we can choose between multiple flow types where each have their own automation. And below flows, there is a section called Website. This is where we connect our website to Klaviyo. By connecting your website, Klaviyo can track important actions like page visit, product views, and purchases. And under this section, there is an option that says Sign Up Forms and are how we collect emails from people visiting our website. You can create pop-ups, flyouts, or embedded forms. And when someone enters their email, they automatically get added to your list. And also there is an audience section where all our contacts live. You can see the people who have signed up through your forms, imported lists, or integrated stores. Inside the audience section, you can organize people into lists or segments. Lists are groups of people you manually add. Segments are dynamic groups that update automatically based on actions or conditions. It's basically the statistics of your audience. To sum up, using Klaviyo for email marketing is all about connecting your store, collecting your audience with sign-up forms, organizing them in the audience section, and then creating flows or campaigns to reach them at the right time. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again in the next video. Goodbye.